Today we are going to discuss about regular expression. It is an expression for representing regular language. Now what is a regular language? The language which is accepted by the DFA. Now what is a DFA? Here we have noted one DFA. From the initial state we are reaching to the final state. By using which string? We are using string B. So the B in the language format can be written as L is having the set of string which is accepted by the this DFA, only one string. So this is the language notation. How directly we can write it in the expression notation, which is a string which is reaching from the initial state to the final state, only B. So that we are calling it as a regular expression. So for the regular expression it will be only B. Now again consider the second example. From the initial state we are reaching to the final state with the input A. For the regular language, the language which is accepted by this one is, we can say, only one string in the notation of language. But the path from the same thing in the regular expression will be A. So the regular expression for this DFA will be only A. As this is the expression, what we are going to have? We are going to have the operators also, because expression consists of operands and operators. Now what will be the operators? Will be plus, dot and concatenation symbol, that is term. Now what will be the operands? Operands will be the string. For example, it will be B here, it will be A here. Okay, now we consider, suppose L is a string, L is a language and M is a language. So what we have to do? We have to take the union of that. Union means we have to write everything together. In any format I can write. I can start with M first, I can start with L first. So if we are starting M first, so M contains epsilon 001 here, then 001 again in L. So that is a repeated one. We are not going to use it twice. So only once 001, then 10 and 11. That is L union M is equal to M union L in the case of union only. Now suppose if we are having L is equal to 0 and M is equal to 0. So what will be the L union M? L union M will be 0, 1. This is in the language notation. Now we have to write the expression for it. So for writing the expression, we should have the operators and operands. Operands are present. What about the operator? For comma, that is either this one or other this one, we are going to use OR operation. For OR we are using plus sign. So here we are having for this operand 0 ka 0, 1 ka 1, in between what? Either this one or this one. So either case, either this one or this one, we are using plus sign. So the union in the language notation we are using U symbol. While writing same thing in the regular expression format, only with the operators, that is the strings. Only the operands, that is a string, we are directly using 0 plus 1. 0 is a string, 1 is also string, then the plus sign. So and in the regular expression format it will be R1 plus R2. R1 is your operand, first expression, second expression. So R1 plus R2 will be the union of two expressions. Now the concatenation, here we are having one language containing 1 1 and 0 0. M is other language containing epsilon and 0 1. Now we have to take the product of them. So we'll take 1 1 into epsilon will be 1 1, 1 1 into 0 1 will be 1 1 0 1, 0 0 into epsilon will be 0 0, 0 0 into 0 1 will be 0 0 0 1. In this case we cannot change the order, we cannot multiply M with L first, the order will change. So here while we have considered union, in union I can go either L union M or M union L. In the case of concatenation we cannot change the order. Okay, now suppose we are having a language as 1 1 and 0, 1 1 and single 0. So we have to find the dot product. So what we are going to write? We are going to write simple dot product, and after writing the dot product, the regular expression will be this one. So this is the regular expression for the same notation. If we are going to multiply R1, which is one regular expression, with R2, so answer will be R1 and R2. Now the closure is we have to find out all the possible sequence of that string. So if L is 0 1, so what are the possible strings? Possible string is this one, epsilon 0 1 1 1 0. This is in the language notation. But in the case of a regular expression, how we can write it? We can write 0 for comma, we had used which operator? For comma we had used the plus sign. For comma, here also we had used the plus sign. So what? For comma we are going to use plus 1. And the closure, so 0 plus 1 means if we are going to write either 0 or 1, all the combination of zeros and 1. So this L closure indicate what? This is which language? This language contains the string having all the combinations of zeros and 1. So either 0 or 1, for all we are putting plus, and 1 के लिए 1. Any combination, all the combination we are going to put asterisk here. That means whatever asterisk we are putting on the language symbol L, we are going to use here, because this is the way of converting the language notation into regular expression notation. Now what will be the ways of creating the regular expression? Suppose the question is given define the language such that it contains only a single a over the sigma a comma b. So for single a I want to write, so everything is mentioned in the question in the exact manner. It should contain a single a, so single a only. Or the second method is single a. Here we are not specifying the position of b, the elements of b. Now suppose we are going to consider b also, so we have to ignore it. For ignorance means any combination of b will not be the possibility, because when b become multiple times, so it is going to change the meaning. So we are not going to consider any occurrence of b. So only a means only a. Now contains only single b, so sigma is equal to a comma b. So single b means only b. So this will be the regular expression for your question. Either single a, or for or what notation? Plus sign, or the single b will be b. All the possible strings of a and b, so all the possible combination के लिए we had already considered. For all possible combination we have to use asterisk. All possible strings of a only, so a only a, all the possible combination is asterisk. All possible strings of b only b, all possible combination is asterisk. Containing only single 0, only single 0. Containing only single 1, single 1. Either single 0 or 1. Single 0 string is already given, or plus sign 1 1. All combinations of either zeros and 1. So either 0 or 1 first. What is mentioned? Before all combination of either 0 or 1, we have to write first this one, either 0 or 1, then all the before putting the asterisk we have to first solve what is given here. Single 0 followed by single 1. Followed means the dot operator. Now define RE for the language such that all the words begin and end with a in between any words using b. So what it has to start with a and it should start with b. In between any, it should begin and end with a, and in between any word using b only. So starting with a, ending with a, and in between any combination, any word generated by using b only. So any combination के लिए we are putting closure. Write language a asterisk dot b asterisk in simple English. So what do you mean by this one is any combination of a for dot followed by any combination of b, because b closure, any combination of b. So this is any combination of a followed by any combination of b. Here we have to convert this regular language, we have to write in a simple English statement. So what it is, we have three parts: first, last and middle portion. So it is your strings are starting with a, ending with b, in between any combinations of a and b. Always remember a plus b represent any combinations of a comma b. Now a plus b the whole square, we don't know what is it represents, so what we are going to solve it. A plus b, how many times we have to write? We have to write twice. Now we are going to do the dot product. So a into a will be a into put comma, a into b will be ab, put comma, b into a will be ba, next comma, b into B will be B. That means what is common in all the string we have to find out. Whether A is present in all the string? No. Whether B is present in all the string? No. So what is the common thing present in all the string? The common thing is present is the size of the string, that is represented by the modulus operator. So size of this string AA is 2, size of AB is 2, length of, that is called as the length of BA is also 2, length of BB is also 2. So what is common in all the string is all the strings are having length 2. Now what about this one? Again solve it. This is 0 plus 1 the whole closure. How many times we have to write? 3 times. Now multiply them. It will be 0 0 0, it will be 0 0 0 1, then it will be, so what will be common? 0 into 0. First of all, if we are not having that direct formula, 0 plus 1 will be what? It will be having the length 2. So it will be 0 into 0 will be 0 0, comma 0 into 1 will be 0 1, 1 into 0 will be 1 0, 1 into 1 will be 1 1, multiply with 0 plus 1. So what will be the answer? 0 0 0, 0 0 0 1, then 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. So what is common in all the strings? Zeros are not common, ones are not common, but what is common is the size or the length of the string, that is 3. So this 0 plus 1 raised to 3 represent all the string having length 3. All the strings of zeros and 1 having length 3. 0 plus 1 the whole square will be what? It will be this one. 0 plus 1 the whole square we have to write twice. After writing twice, multiply them. So what we are going to get? We are going to get the strings of length 2. Now A plus B the whole square, solve it. So how we are going to solve it? AB the whole square will be raised to power of 2, raised to power of 0, then AB raised to 1 will be AB, AB raised to 2 will be AB, AB, AB raised to 2 will be AB, AB. That means all the possible, this closure always, all the possible combination of whatever is present within the bracket, all the possible combination of A and B. Here also 0 1 raised to closure, all the possible combination of zeros and 1. Here again what we can add? All the possible combination of A and B. In which manner? All the possible combination of alternating A and B, all the possible combination of alternating zeros and 1. Now what is this? This will indicate first position and the last position, all the string starting with A, ending with anything, or no need to mention anything, starting with A. Now give regular expression for exactly 1A over sigma equal to A comma B. Now here exactly 1A, so single A. What about B? B we have to ignore. So exactly single A will be having single A. And what about the position of B? The position of B, that we can have this kind of string also. I can have this kind of string also. It is not mentioned that we should have a single A. We should have the exactly 1A, but maintaining the balance of B. That is, we can have this kind of string which also we are containing exactly 1A. This kind of string also we can having exactly 1A. We cannot have multiple A. Okay, so we'll stop here.